Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Jay and welcome to the Shiplife. So for today's video, I got a special treat for you. I will be giving you an exclusive look, a walkthrough, a tour of the largest room available here on Royal Caribbean's brand new ship, Wonder of the Seas. We will be checking out the Ultimate Family Suite. Now, this room is absolutely amazing. Well, at least from what I've seen in the pictures. I'm getting ready to see it for the first time myself, which I'm pretty excited for. Now, just to give you guys some information, I'm going to try to give you like a little bit of a rundown. If you guys happen to have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to get back over to you. But this suite in particular is located in an area on the ship that's brand new and exclusive to Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean breaks things down into neighborhoods. They have 7 neighborhoods originally on the other Oasis class ships. This is the 8th neighborhood, which is known as the Suites neighborhood. Now, when you book one of these suites, you get exclusive access to the Coastal Kitchen, which is obviously a restaurant that everybody really loves. You get your own pool areas, relaxing areas, lounging areas. You also get a genie, which is essentially a butler located on board the ship that handles all of your needs. So basically, if you need to book a show, they got you. If you need to get some special food or from a specialty dining option, they got you. Anything of that nature, they're there to tend to all of your needs and make sure you are as comfortable as possible and you're good to go. And also included in this, you do get the Boom package, the fastest Wi-Fi available on the ship, so you get streaming all the stuff that you want to do. You also get access to private areas in Levity, their private area over in Haiti, also in Coco Cay. You get your own area. There's just so many things and perks that come with this. Too many for me to name. But I do just want to give you guys some insight before we go up. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. But anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's go ahead and get started. So before we go in, one thing that I want to point out is the difference in the CPass cards. If you booked a regular, let's say, stateroom or a balcony or even a junior suite, your CPass will be blue. Now, when you book one of these rooms, a royal suite, it's more of like a purple pinkish color, and it definitely just kind of sets the tone, lets you know you're special. Let's go ahead and walk in. I got a buddy of mine, Jeff. The man has been so nice enough to let me check out this room. He's waiting for me. Look at this. Already just makes you feel special. Here we go, guys. Deck 18, room 50. Jeff, what's going on, bro? How you doing, man?
Good. How are you?
Good. Guys, this is the nicest man ever. I'm sure you've probably seen him on my previous vlogs, but he's been nice enough to let me check out the room. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look around. But Jeff, how have you felt about the room so far? Has it been pretty good for you?
Honestly, I contemplated not leaving the room a few times, just staying in here. You got a hot tub on the balcony. Don't even need to go down to the pool.
Guys, from what I'm about to show you, you're probably gonna say the same thing. So we'll just kind of work our way around. I'm gonna give you guys just a little scroll so you can see what they're working with over here. This is absolutely amazing.
Slide.
Oh my God.
Holy cow, the rooms are over there. There's a room up there. A room over there.
Wow. Guys, look, so we have a room in here. We have a room in here. Wow.
Don't forget
Bathroom in here.
Yeah, no, that's the first thing I saw.
Oh my gosh, this is insane.
It's the weirdest thing that happened. It was just like, yeah, I just want to get a good room, and now I got like a bunch of people.
So this here is a cool little touchscreen that has video games and all kinds of cool stuff on it. This is a piano staircase.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh my God.
Wait, what? A piano staircase. Go,
This is insane. Check this out. I'm going to be the next Beethoven. With stairs. Okay, maybe that wasn't such a good idea. I'm not that great at this. Come on, Lauren, play some music. We'll check out the balcony a little bit, but let's go ahead and go upstairs.
A slide in a room.
Bunk beds up here. I am blown away.
Oh, man.
Look at this.
Jay,
This
crazy.
dude, I'm blown away. This table's digital too. So they have 2 digital tables in the room. You can play and have a good time.
That is so cool.
Got multiple beds up here. Wow.
Yo, you go fast.
Jeez, man. I'm blown away.
Watch out, please watch out.
So this is the main bedroom, the master bedroom here in their Ultimate Family Suite. And she has clothes all over the place because, well, there's a family staying here. What do you expect? But they have plenty of storage here in this beautiful closet. A bed which I'm assuming is extremely comfortable. I'm assuming. Got a nice little TV that just kind of folds out, which is, oh man, I'm just blown away by all of this. Now I showed you guys already the piano stairs. So cool. We'll walk around here, guys. You got a nice little makeup area, or just a nice little desk in case you want to get some work done. There's me. Let's check out this bathroom. Wow. Yeah, this is like 4 times bigger than mine. So you have a walk-in shower, so no tub, but definitely a beautiful shower. I gotta go down the slide. Let's check it out. This thing looks kind of scary. Oh my God. I'm good. Wow.
You saw the movie room as well?
No, there's a movie room? Look at this. Literally a movie theater right here in the room as well. I would never leave.
There's no point. I
would never leave. No way. Eternals? Yeah, I didn't like this movie, by the way. Call it what you want. I know some people did, but I didn't. Horrible movie. Of course, you got your waters, coffee maker, apple juice. This is legit.
Sorry, like we're all vloggers and stuff. Like you guys have a great room, so we're like, oh my God.
Show you guys the living room area. Yeah, this is definitely family oriented. I would not leave. I would not leave. What is this in the corner? Amazing. Seriously. Let's take a look outside, guys. As soon as I can figure out how to get this thing open. So then we do it. Thank you. Hot tub in here. This is amazing.
The kids' climbing course.
You have no reason to leave to go see any other part of the ship. And a climbing course here, table. This is where the important meetings must take place. All the kids talking about what they're going to do with all their Legos. Got this beautiful view. Just to give you an idea of the cost of the room, it's in the $40,000 range. $40,000. Now, keep in mind, being honest, it does fluctuate with the cruise, the itineraries, and stuff like that. But I figured it was going to be around that range. If you guys got $40,000 to pay for this room, please let me know and let me book the cruise with you. Wow. Talk about amazing. Look, the kid in me is screaming right now. Like I said, it's not the most expensive room, but in the $40,000 range. It is the biggest room on the entire ship. I'm blown away. The kid in me is screaming right now. I could stay in this room literally all day, but it's not my room.
You can't.
Look, Jojo, come on, look, we gotta pitch in. All right, here, I'll pay 10% of the room, and you pay the rest.
I go 10, you go 10, and then the rest is sponsored by
Royal Caribbean.
Hey, listen, if this video gets 1 million views, we'll get it.
Royal Caribbean, you hear that? 1 million.
1 million.
So I gotta admit to you guys, that literally blew me away. Like I told you, it's not the most expensive room, but it is without a doubt the biggest on the entire ship. So we saw the biggest room on the biggest cruise ship on planet Earth. Now, if you guys have ever been in a room like this, please let me know in the comment section below. But wow, I don't know if I'll ever be able to afford something like this in my lifetime, but my cruise has been made just even being able to see something like that. Personally, I could stay there all day, but it's not my room. The man right here. Dude, I appreciate you so much for letting us check out the room. So do you have Instagram, man? Anywhere that people can follow you?
I do. It's Jeffrey Cole, Jeffrey, 2 Y's, Cole.
Perfect. I'll pin it up on the screen here too, man. I appreciate it. Seriously, thank you again, bro. Thank you. So like I said, guys, this area is its own neighborhood. You cannot come up here unless you actually have booked a royal suite. So we have the family suite over there, and then over here we have the royal loft suite. I can't imagine what this one looks like either, but incredible. So that is going to do it for our tour of the Ultimate Family Suites. Now, I will be going up there later today to get some additional information as well as take some more pictures, get some more video footage. So like I said, if there's anything you guys want, please let me know. Like I said, for that price tag, $40,000, you get a lot. But let me know if this is a room that, if you had the money, because I certainly don't, to rent out this room and book this particular Ultimate Family Suite, would you do it? Let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, share this video so more people can see it, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy.